Struggling to find that perfect gift for the impossible guy in your life this Christmas 2025? We've all been there, scratching our heads trying to impress men who claim they need nothing. But fear not, because we've scoured countless gadgets and trends to uncover 60 genuinely unique gifts that are sure to make him feel truly seen. Imagine the look on his face when he unwraps something he didn't even know he wanted. For amazing deals, make sure to check the links in the video description right now to buy these items early. Number 1. LEGO Ideas Typewriter. This isn't just a toy, it's a stunning piece of retro art that actually works, perfect for the nostalgic man who appreciates craftsmanship and a unique display item. Number 2. Sony WH-100XM5 Noise-Cancelling Headphones. These aren't just headphones, they're an escape pod, offering unparalleled audio immersion and silence from the world, a truly transformative listening experience. Number 3. Anker 737 Power Bank GaNPrime. This isn't just a portable charger, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse, keeping all his crucial gadgets juiced up with astonishing speed and efficiency, perfect for the tech-savvy man on the go. Number 4. Philips Norelco Shaver 7700. This isn't just a shaver, it's an advanced grooming tool designed for ultimate comfort and skin protection, revolutionizing his daily routine. Number 5. Echo Show 8, 3rd Gen. More than a smart display, this gadget is a central hub for his smart home, combining entertainment, communication, and control in one sleek device, surprising him with its versatility. These gifts go beyond the ordinary, aiming to truly get the guy you're buying for. We've spent the entire year testing the latest and greatest, from cutting-edge tech to unexpected gems. You won't find tired, generic ideas here, only fresh, exciting options that guarantee a genuine reaction. This ultimate list will transform you into a gift-giving legend, making every occasion unforgettable. Don't waste another moment on generic gifts. Give him something truly special and memorable this year.